Here we have a spectacular brand new Beltuna Euro 4 Special piano accordion with low, middle, that's a triple musette, tuning, 41 keys on the right hand, and included here is a mute. So you have the ability to have almost a tone chamber effect on all of the sounds, and you also have the advantage of it being without a tone chamber, so you have the very direct sound. So it's like the best of both worlds here. On our sounds, we have the bassoon. You hear it like that. Then you hear it with the mute on. Then you have the bandoneon. The accordion. Master, and you as well have a master bar over here. The triple musette. It gets a really warm flavor under that mute. Okay, you have the wide double musette. Again, it gets much more mellow under that mute. And then the tighter double musette. A lot of nice, good punch there. You also have the single clarinet. Additionally, you have a complete mute, which works very well if you end up getting MIDI added to this. There is not MIDI on here, but there are factory installed microphones, Sennheiser condenser mics. Over here on the left hand, we have 5 registers. And a complete mute. Again, a very good advantage if you decide to add MIDI to the instrument and want to go without the reeds playing. It's also a good advantage if you are doing studio work and you like to still play the left hand, but you don't want to have those reeds going because you have other instruments playing. So, with that in mind, I think it's time to get a little bit of music played here with this instrument. Then, for a little bit of stuff with the mute on.